Okay, hello everybody, it's Runescapefar. How you guys doing today? So today we're going to be learning how to make a usable store software in Visual Basics. Now this is a very simple one. I was doing a step-by-step tutorial, but that was going to take very long and had to remember how to do this all, so we're just going to go over the one I just built now for this video. So first off, let's begin here. So we got our name. Text box. So basically the way I have this set up is it will not let you check out unless you have a name, at least one movie selected, and at least one of the days rented. Now this was a very complicated, I forgot how complicated making this was, so that's why I'm redoing it in this part. So right here we need a module, we need to make these public, so we need price per day as double, price per movie as double, and total price as double. So you need to create these, and of course to do that, go to project and add model. So let's go down here. So for right now we have our submit button, and we have our first equation here, which will calculate how many numbers of movies are selected and price per movie count. So if I have just one, if I have one of these selected, the price is $1.50 or 1.5. And then, so 2, meaning 2 of these are selected, it will be $3. And then here will be $4.50 if 3 of them are selected. So this is using the if, else, if statements and end if, of course. So this one here is the total, gives you your total price. So right here we have if CV movies that checked item count equals 1, meaning 1 movie is selected, so that means we're dealing with 1.5. Then we have the price per movie times price per day, and the price per day is calculated through the radio buttons using, also make sure you do RB2.check changed. And then we're doing this similar to the one we did with the trivia game, but so we got RB1, RB2, so for if 1 day selected, the price is $1, so for 2 days, it's $2. So we take the price per day times the price per movie, and then we calculate it here. So then, to actually get the actual statement to appear here in our checkbox, or not checkbox, text box, which is price, you must first go through this checklist. So if you do not enter a name, you must enter a name. If the movies that checked item count, so if you don't have any movies selected, then you must select at least 1 movie to rent. And if you have no movie rental day selected, then you must select at least 1 rental day. And then you'll get your total price. So let's actually check this out together. So, like I said, first here, we have this. So make sure you enter your name. Okay. Make sure you at least 1 movie to rent. So we'll rent Stripes. Oh, but I gotta choose a rental day. And there we go. So if we were to select 2 movies, it would be $3, $4, $9. So it took me a while to get all the code remembered and figured out how to set this up, and I think I got this calculation correctly, but essentially this is how you can create a actual usable store software. So you would basically have, okay, here's the items, so you can have them come up here, go to a little kiosk thing, select what they want, and then of course I could also set it for each individual one to be priced individually using, I've done it with the combo box here, and also I've done it with the list box. So, and then it's per selected item, which interestingly enough, this actually would simplify more. I wish we would have done this when I did my original project involving stuff like this, but we were told to use these. But you can use this as well, and they can select the movie, how many days they want to rent it, and then check out for a price. And then the more advanced version, which I will be creating here in a little bit to show you guys, it's going to be completely different, redesigned, so don't get used to this layout and look out, because it's going to be different, I can promise you that. But basically, it will do this and then some. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, sorry for it's not like this other one, but just trying to retype everything up here would have been too much of a pain. Plus, I want to get the more advanced version created so that way I can show you guys the advanced version. So please subscribe, leave comments, and as always, have a nice day. Live, love, and game on.